If you're looking for a new home to kickstart your university life, Prairie Shores is the right place to be. Nestled in Chicago's historic Bronzeville neighborhood, this student haven offers a variety of enticing options, from cozy studios to spacious, pet-friendly shared apartments. Each bedroom is thoughtfully furnished with a plush bed, spacious layouts, expansive closets, and refreshing air conditioning for your ultimate comfort. While the kitchen is equipped with a suite of appliances, distinctive cabinetry, and a gas cooktop range. Take advantage of community perks like a 24-hour fitness center, stunning rooftop deck with grilling, a state-of-the-art resident amenities center, and stylish relaxation and gaming areas. Plus, the pet-friendly community even has a dog park where your furry friend can socialize. Prairie Shores also shares close proximity to prominent institutions like the Illinois Institute of Technology and the University of Illinois, making it a popular choice among students. And thanks to the city's excellent public transport system, you can effortlessly explore Chicago's diverse culinary scene, vibrant nightlife, and cultural attractions. Whether it's savoring mouth-watering dishes at Woven Plus Bound and Bureau Bar, enjoying cocktails at Casey's Tavern, or taking in the fresh air at 31st Street Beach and Washington Park, there's always something exciting to do. With Prairie Shores, you're not just finding accommodation, you're discovering a new home. So don't wait and book your stay today at amberstudent.com.